Hi guys, in front of me is NUBIA Red Magic 8S Pro, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. At first open the settings, then find and select Personalization settings and select wallpaper right here. As you can see, you can set one from recently used wallpapers, Red Magic Warrior album, Metaverse, Fast and Furious, Space City, Metal Marines, Shadow Flow, Planets, Sky Eye, some simple wallpapers, or by tapping over here you can add some photo from your gallery. Let me pick, for example, this one. Click on Set As, and then decide if it's for your home screen only, just your lock screen, or both of them. Let me choose both, and that's it. From now on, it is applied on both home and lock screen. So this is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.